Founder has developed a new problem that I haven't sorted out yet, but it's not going to stop us. We are going to head out of here today. I think we're going to go to a campground. It's not the fancy, pristine one that we visited in the last video, but it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be. I don't know. From what I hear, it's really nice too. Some beautiful views. I think it's views. Maybe it's the water is blue and stuff. I don't remember. But we're gonna make our way there and enjoy some Washington forest. So we're gonna get out of here. The motorcycle is strapped back on the back of the Bounder, and we are gonna be on our way. The windshield's probably dirty, so the dash cam might be a little fuzzy looking. Got a little adventurous with Betty here. We're going up a one-lane mountain road. The sign at the beginning says, "Not recommended for motorhomes and trailers." But we're going anyway. It does have turnouts, and we timed that perfectly. We were going to do a campground. Betty's just too big. Really wooded, beautiful creek. The water was really blue. But I couldn't fit Betty anywhere. So it was just a small, out in the country kind of place. Might have made for some good hiking, but so anyway, we're going up here. We aborted that mission. We're going here to Mount, I think it's Mount Walker Lookout. Yeah, it's a little bumpy, but this ain't bad. I'm expecting pretty scenic. I'm expecting it to be quite a view once we get up here. For the record, if anything happens, this was Chibi's idea. We're out traveling with Jimmy today. This channel is Wandering Jimmy. Look him up. Yeah. We aborted the campground. Jimmy says, "Ah, come on. It'll be fun," he said. It seems we are in cougar country. We better watch. What if it was just a little more clear out? Don't know if you can see those mountaintops out there or not. Beautiful view from up here.
Seattle is out there somewhere. Let's see here if the camera will adjust. I think it's that's downtown Seattle. That's about all the zoom I have. Quite a view from up here. This is the south viewpoint. Nice little path that comes around from the parking area. Some benches. Maybe I can get a better view of Seattle from here. That has to be downtown Seattle. There are no other cities in the area. There's skyscrapers. I have no idea how far that is. Probably 40, 50 miles. Maybe, I don't know. Let's see if we can see the highway. We came off this highway. This road started down and turned off that highway way down there. That's how far we came up that dirt road. Look, took some climbing to get up here. We are going to make a retreat out of here. Big horse flies and the mosquitoes are, they're getting us.
Next right onto US 101 North.
Okay, here's that sign. Narrow road, not recommended for trailers or motorhomes. And I don't recommend it either. If you're not absolutely certain you have good, healthy brakes, you know how to use them on long, steep descents, then try something like that. All right, we're gonna get back somewhere. What do you think, Bella? What do you think, girl? You haven't gotten much camera time in these last couple of videos. We're gonna have to catch you playing with your new best ever playmate, play friend, Olive. We'll get you two carrying on camera here pretty soon. Bella and Jimmy's dog, Olive, they just have a time together. They just have a time. They are silly. Might notice in the dash cam that Jimmy's ahead of us now. When we started down the hill, I told him that for safety's sake, I'll lead going down the hill. Just in the event something were to happen to my brakes, he's not ahead of me and I don't end up pushing him and smashing into him and shoving him over the hill or something. So I went first down over the hill. I let him by. There was a little pull off near the bottom. I left him go by. And now we're back on the road. Anybody notice how much quieter the bounder is? Except for the rattling shake, rattle, and roll, but the exhaust is quiet. That's better. So that's it. We've been in and out of the Olympia National Forest. We will be back. I'm planning a little bigger trip. We're gonna kind of go back to what I guess is kind of northwestern base camp. And I got some packages arriving,
Select right onto Center Road.
and I have to plan. I got to do some planning on this trip. But we're gonna go, I think, up and around Mount Olympus and check out more of the national forest. So anyway, we're gonna get back to base camp and get some dinner. All the plans didn't pan.
Take the next right onto Center Road.
All the plans didn't pan out today, but it ended up a good day, some adventure. It was nice.
Continue on Center